Hi guys, welcome back. So today is another video of what I got on Amazon, and let's see what we got. A few things came in and I just haven't been opening them. This is some vitamin C serum. Next I got so in this, these are for when I start decorating for Christmas. They are nice new pillow covers. They're soft. I picked these ones because these were the only white ones I saw that had soft on the front and the back as well, compared to the other ones where it was solid back and only one side was nice and soft. These the kids are gonna love. They're gonna go nuts with those pillows. Next, okay, I need to get a box cutter, guys. I'm using a nail today. Just found it or like a knife or something, so I can have some smooth box openings. Next is just some Rustoleum white paint. I'm gonna do a project with that. I need this nail back. Feeling my nail. Whew. So next, surprisingly, all these very smoothly today. Some white spray paint. I did another project with that as well. And then I think this, ugh, that was gross. This is the last big box. Oh my god, I've been waiting for these. All this stuff has been sitting here for a while now, maybe like a week, and I have not been doing anything. But man, these are the new Christmas blankets. So currently I have, if you guys haven't seen that video, I did my fall decoration, and I have these nice gray ones, which they're the same one. It's just this one. I have another gray one, but it's different than this one, and this one is heavier and everybody fights over it. So I was gonna get different white blankets that came with pillowcases, but when I was just thinking about it, I'm like, everyone fights over these ones. Let me see if they have them in white, because I need them to be in white. And they did, so I bought 2 of these ones instead. So hopefully that solves all that fighting. So let me open this baby up. I'm so excited to decorate for Christmas. I cannot wait. I'm sorry if I keep looking away, because my husband's laying on the couch over here. And I keep looking at him. They're so soft and nice and heavy, but not too heavy, if that makes sense. But I love these blankets. Anyway, that is it for today's What I Got on Amazon. And until next time, bye! Ooh, you already pre-opened? Hi guys, welcome. I gotta do that.